How did you become such good buddies with those freaky Protoss? All I hear is they kill Terrans like you and me on sight.
Some of them would. But some others would fight to the death protecting people like us. I helped them defend their homeworld from the Zerg during the First War. When Kerrigan came back leading the swarm, I helped him out again. They're real big on loyalty.
Damn, Jimmy. Almost sounds like you respect them.
I wouldn't expect you to understand, Tychus.
Good to see you, brother. Wait. I can see it in your eyes. You've seen into the spirit world. The Protoss. He gave you a crystal. And now you've been seeing what he's seen.
That ain't nothing to do with you. Stay out of my head, Tosh.
Have it your way. But you want to tread careful when you go looking into the beyond. If you need me, you know where I'll be.
We have a very special guest today, Crown Prince Valerian. Thank you so much for joining us, Highness.
Thank you, Kate. It's wonderful to be here.
Let me get right to the question on everyone's mind. Is there anyone special in your life right now?
Truth be told, Kate, I've had a crush on you for many years.
Oh, stop.
But in all seriousness, with the Zerg invasion, there's little time for such things. I've been studying military tactics under General Warfield, and whatever spare time I have is devoted to StarCraft. It's my goal to be the best Emperor our people could ask for. When the time comes, of course.
Wonderful. Now I've got two of them to worry about. How long was I down in the lab, Matt?
You've been gone for hours, sir. You've been in the lab all that time?
I used the Eon crystal Zeratul gave me. I'd swear it only lasted a few minutes. So vivid. Zeratul's been searching for a Zelnaga prophecy about the end of the universe. There's more. I just haven't got to it yet.
We've received reports.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks? Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
I'm waiting. On the move. Excellent. My pleasure. Be ready. How devious. Of course. I like it. Victory is ours. Excellent. Of course. FCV ready. On the move. Go on. What's on your mind? My pleasure.
What's going on? In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. SCV ready.
At the ready. How devious.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Yo. SCV ready.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
SCV ready. SCV ready. Ah! SCV ready. It's your dime.
What's the plan?
You want a piece of me, boy?
Of course. Excellent.
SCV ready.
On the move. Victory is ours.
Who wants some?
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
SCV ready. Huh? Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Gangway, coming through. Looking forward to it. In the rear with the gear. Armed and ready. You gonna give me orders?
Oh, it's on. Just say when.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
SCV ready.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
What needs killing?
Let's have a blast.
SCV ready.
What's the plan? Go on. Of course.
Say say the word, baby.
SCV ready.
At the ready. I like it.
SCV ready.
How devious.
What's going on? SCV ready. Yo. Yes, sir.
At the ready. On the move. I like it. Excellent. I'm waiting. My pleasure. What's on your mind?
Who wants some? Go, go, go!
In the rear with the gear. Go ahead.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
Uh-huh.
Get me out of here.
SCV ready.
You gonna give me orders? Looking forward to it.
SCV ready.
Aye, aye, sir.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
Been waiting on you. Yes, sir.
Go on. Of course.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. My pleasure.
This better be good.
I like it. How devious.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Armed and ready. Oh, yeah.
What's on your mind? Go on.
Upgrade complete.
In the rear with the gear.
Upgrade complete.
You're the boss. Big job, huh?
We could use some help here.
Gotcha. I'm going.
What needs killing? What's the plan?
Kaboom, baby!
We hear you. Well, buddy. It's a negatory. It's blocked. SCV ready.
Go on.
We could use some help here.
Let's have a blast.
SCV ready.
What needs killing? On the move.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Devious. What? What's the plan?
SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
It's about to get heavy.
What's going on?
Time's a wasting. Say the word, baby.
Bad news?
What needs killing?
Let's have a blast.
Get me out of here.
Huh?
Of course.
Upgrade complete.
Excellent. My pleasure.
You gonna give me orders? 10-4.
What needs killing?
Gangway, coming through. I'm on it. Go, go, go! Who wants some? We could use some help here. This better be good.
What's the plan?
Armed and ready.
Vespine geyser exhausted.
Gangway.
Upgrade complete.
Move it.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest. Upgrade complete.
I like it.
Upgrade complete.
On the move.
Who wants some?
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Been waiting on you.
Get me out of here.
This better be good.
Of course. Excellent. Victory is ours.
Upgrade complete.
My pleasure. How devious. On the move.
You want a piece of me, boy?
I like it. Of course. What needs killing? Excellent. My pleasure. How devious.
sir. I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders. I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them. Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
Horse. I like it. My pleasure. Excellent. How devious. Of course. Victory. What needs killing? Huh? Excellent.
What's going on?
You gonna give me orders?
Big job, huh? I'm going.
What needs killing?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
On the move. I like it. On the move.
Upgrade complete.
My pleasure. Of course.
Go ahead. Yep. In the rear with the gear. It's your dime.
Mineral field depleted. Upgrade complete.
What?
Huh? Yeah, whatever. Gotcha. We hear you. What's going on? Big job, huh? Bad news? Well, Buck.
Get me out of here.
Ah! Is SCV ready? Woo-hoo! Overtime!
Insufficient Vespine gas.
SCV ready.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Roger. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
Yeah. Go ahead. Big job, huh? SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
What needs killing?
SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. Yeah. SCV ready.
What needs killing?
SCV
Add-on complete. Mineral field depleted.
in the rear with the gear. What's going on?
You want a piece of me, boy?
Our SC. A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
Who wants some?
What?
Mineral field depleted.
Big job, huh? Woo-hoo! Overtime, huh? Bad news? We hear you.
Gangway, coming through.
Our SCVs are under attack.
On the move. My pleasure.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important they'd go and dig her up to recover it?
Sir, that adjutant we recovered is down in the lab. She's all powered up.
Talk to me, you old piece of junk. What do you know?
User identified. Raynor James. Ex-Marshal Marsara Colony. Joined Sons of Korhal Terrorist Group. Status criminal.
Enough about me, darling. What else you got locked up in that synthetic head of yours?
User status criminal. Access denied.
Playing hard to get, huh? We'll see about that.